Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at MK Computer Store. We've been digging through their website, mkcomputerstore.com, trying to, get a feel for what they actually do.
Exactly. The idea is just to pull out the key bits about their services,
Yeah.
what customers think, basically give you a quick snapshot.
Right, a rapid download on their tech world. Okay, so diving in, what hits you first on the site? They obviously sell computers, laptops, desktops, components.
Yeah, the usual hardware, accessories too.
Accessories, right. But what kind of stood out to me was the big mention of CCTV technology, installation included.
It's definitely prominent. They also mention repairs, general tech support, that sort of thing.
And they've got these taglines like solutions for every requirement.
And the quick and trustworthy 24/7 support promise. Standard claims, maybe?
Maybe, but the CCTV part, it feels like more than just another item on the list.
I agree. It's interesting. Right after they say information technology, boom, CCTV is the first specific thing mentioned.
Yeah.
It really suggests that's a core part of their business, maybe more than just, selling RAM sticks.
And that lines up with the customer testimonials, doesn't it?
It absolutely does.
Yeah.
That's where the CCTV focus really comes alive.
Like Sunil Kumar Makhtan, CEO at Komenda Media House.
Yeah. Secured his home back in 2019.
And he said it transformed their security approach. That's a strong word.
It is. And then there's Rajesh Nupana from Umadevi Furniture and Sawmill.
Right, the furniture place, secured in 2018.
And he said it significantly improved their security strategy. Again, not just it works.
No, it definitely sounds like a major impact. It suggests they're maybe delivering something beyond just the hardware, a real security solution.
That's what it feels like. Like they understand the application of the tech, not just the tech itself, especially in their local context.
Good point. And it's not just the end result. Rajesh Hamal, the artist.
Oh, yeah, the 2025 installation. What about that one?
He mentioned the installation itself was seamless. So it speaks to the service quality, too, not just the tech.
Seamless install. Yeah, that's important. People hate disruption.
Exactly. And one customer, Ram Kalyan Rana, actually upgraded their system in 2021.
Oh, interesting. So repeat business, or at least ongoing satisfaction.
Yeah. Suggests they liked what they got the first time around.
So all this feedback, it really builds a case for their CCTV service being, well, a key strength. They might say solutions for everything, but the proof seems weighted towards security.
You wonder if maybe they specialize more than the website lets on initially, tailored security for homes, businesses.
Could be.
We should also probably mention the location aspect.
Right. It's not explicitly stated everywhere, but
The contact info, the names of those businesses like Komenda Media House, Umadevi Furniture.
it strongly points towards Nepal, doesn't it?
Definitely feels like a Nepal-based operation.
Which adds context. you
Yeah.
know? Local market, maybe specific local needs driving that CCTV demand.
Yeah, potentially. Understanding local security concerns could be part of their success there.
Makes sense.
Okay, so let's try and wrap this up. What's the core takeaway?
Well, MK Computer Store positions itself broadly. Computer sales, repairs, support, the whole IT package,
Sure.
supposedly.
Not based in Nepal.
Right. But the real standout feature, backed by customer stories, is definitely their CCTV installation work.
Yeah, the testimonials are pretty compelling on that front. Significant security improvements, smooth process. That's the consistent message.
Exactly. So a solid reputation, particularly in security systems, for both homes and businesses there.
Okay, so final thought then. Given how well they seem to be doing with security tech and how positive that feedback is, what other areas of tech are getting tangled up with safety and security these days? Personal safety, business safety.
That's a good question. Smart home tech, cybersecurity, data protection.
Right. So how could a company like MK, with this proven strength in physical security like CCTV, maybe leverage that expertise? Could they expand into those related safety tech areas in the future?
Interesting angle. Building on that trust and expertise. Something for you to think about.
Definitely. And that's our deep dive into MK Computer Store for today. Thanks for joining us.